Now, out in the tropics, these are the two things we are watching. There is a low chance of tropical development off the west coast of Africa. There's just so much dust out in the Atlantic basin that this probably will not develop into anything in the coming days. We'll watch it. And then here is that spot off the northeastern Gulf. We'll be watching a low chance, 20% chance from the National Hurricane Center of development in the next week towards Florida and off the southeast coast. Also, you may notice there's nothing here on the map because our main satellite we use to track disturbances out in the Atlantic basin is actually down for technical difficulties. So we're going to be giving you an update on that actually in the later newscasts about how that big satellite is down at this point. But let's talk about what we are going to be seeing impacts wise if we have to worry about this possible tropical development. I don't really think we do, but we'll talk about what's going to be happening. So basically for us, we're going to have an area of high pressure building in over the lower Mississippi Valley in the coming days. That keeps us hot and mostly dry. Any possible tropical development is going to pretty much hang out over Florida and parts of the southeast. So there could be some low pressure developing this weekend into early next week off to our east. So we're talking heavy rain for parts of Florida and the southeast this weekend into early next week. As for us, we're basically going to be shielded by this high pressure. We're not really going to have to worry about much other than it's going to be really hot and humid, and we'll have just a couple isolated showers and storms the rest of the week and into the weekend. But then early next week, there could actually be a front that pushes in across the eastern seaboard. That could squeeze a little bit of moisture towards us by midweek, so we may see a little bit more scattered storm action closer to home by next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but really nothing out of the ordinary for us. But we'll let you know if anything changes with that potential tropical development in the northeastern Gulf.